Hello everybody, welcome to Acnate Physics by your own video channel. In today's video also you are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. What is the question, sir? Which of the following options represent the variation of photoelectric current I with property of light shown on the x-axis? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2025. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 are all the 4 graphs given for you, and A, B, C, D are the 4 options from which you are going to find the answer. Okay, that's 4 options. So your answer should be either A or B or C or D. Okay, that's okay. So in figure 1, in all the 4 figures, photoelectric current I is taken on the y-axis. Photoelectric current, photoelectric current, photoelectric current, photoelectric current. But in the case of x-axis, in the first 2 figures, it is intensity of light. Intensity of light. And in figure 3 and 4, it is frequency of light. Okay. So which is the right answer, sir? Okay. Actually, this graph is very much in your book, in the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. So here light intensity I is taken along the x-axis and photoelectric current is taken along the capital I is taken along the y-axis. From the graph it is evident that photoelectric current, what does it mean by photoelectric current? It is a number of electrons emitted per second. Current depends on the number of electrons emitted per second, is it not? Is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident. So this is light. This figure is light. Okay, what about the other figures are? So figure 1 is right, figure 2 is wrong. Figure 1 is this figure and figure 2, it is directly proportional, not a constant. Okay, so figure 2 is wrong. Then what about figure 3 and 4, sir? Further, the frequency of radiation decides only the Ke, that is kinetic energy of photoelectrons. It has nothing to do with the intensity of photoelectric current. You must understand the difference between the kinetic energy of electrons and the intensity of current. Kinetic energy of electron depends on it tells about the energy of photoelectrons only. But the intensity of photoelectric current is the number of, how many number of electrons are flowing. It has nothing to do with the frequency of radiation. Even according to photoelectric theory, photoelectric equation and photoelectric theory proposed by Einstein, it has nothing to do with the intensity of electric current. Okay, so of the 4 options A, B, C and D, option C is the right answer. What is option C, sir? Only graph 1 is right. Okay, graph 1 is right. Okay, that's all. So far we have discussed 12 questions from round 1 and round 2 in the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. You will see one more question in our next video from this chapter. After that, we will discuss questions from some other chapter. Okay, till the next video is on. Thank you one and all. Thank you.